What's up guys, I'm Nomadikh. Today we're at the 5th episode of the Sampling Music video series where we are reinventing 70s records. Today we're going to be doing pop music. Now in the last episode we did electronic music. That was a nice episode. Go check that one out if you haven't seen it yet. But today we're doing pop music. Pop music is a nice genre to sample because usually when you're going through 70s records, a lot of times you're going to come across records that have that pop music genre in it. And I like pop music specifically because a lot of times you have really nice vocals that sound really crisp and really clean. And usually when I'm going through, that's probably the strongest thing about it that I like the most. So right now we're going to take a look. We're going to find some cool pop records and let's get down to business. Alright, so I'm on discogs.com. Check out my full video if you want to learn how to do this. But right off the bat, we're going to go to Explore. We're going to go Explore All. And then in genre, we're going to pick pop. And then we're going to scroll down to 1970. Michael Jackson. I'm not going to sample Michael Jackson. You know what I'm saying? Like, stuff like that. But yeah, I'm going to change the country because I recognize a lot of these. Let's do UK. Why not? Hot Chocolate. I've never heard of this. Nah. Sounds like Heard It Through the Grapevine. Engelbert Humperdinck.
I was a fool.
Man, this is a fire sample. I'm gonna roll with this. I'm not even gonna mess around. All right, I'm in Ableton Live. Let's see what we can do with this sample. I love that. There's this part in the beginning with the strings and the part afterwards with just the keys and the vocals. I kind of want to take just the keys out because I want to separate the keys and the strings. So I'm going to try and do that. Believing you belong to me forever. That part is crazy. To me forever. That part is crazy. Though I was wrong. Alright, you know what? I think I'm just gonna have to chop this up. I like that. Let's record the hats. Let's record the snare. Record the kick. Let's get the bass in there. That's pretty much it. I feel like this beat is like basically finished, you know? Alright guys, that's the video. I hope you enjoyed it today. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And next week, we're going to be doing classical music. That one's going to be sick. So, see you later. I'll see you next time.